Hey guys, I'm David DeMusio, and today I'm going to teach you how to play the basic chord progression used for the song Say Something. Now, I'm going to teach you how to play the song using no bar chords and using no capo. I'll also teach you how to play it using bar chords as well. So, but if you can't play bar chords yet or you have trouble with them, I'm going to teach you a cool way to play it without any bar chords. And again, like I said, no capo. So the first thing that you need to know is this song is in 3/4 time or 6/8 time. So it's the counting goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when you strum, let's say you're strumming on a D chord, you'd play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, on just downstrokes like that, okay? So count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's the timing. Now, the song starts with this chord progression, and it plays through this for when it says to say something, I'm giving up, that part, it plays through this 4 times, this chord progression, okay? First I'll teach you with bar chords and then without bar chords. B minor, G, D, then A sus4. Now how you play an A sus4 is you play open A, 2nd fret D string, 2nd fret G string, and 3rd fret B string. Okay, now all of these chords, you are not really going to play the high E string. You never hear that in the song, okay? The highest note that you hear is that B string 3rd fret. One other thing, the G chord, when you play it, you're going to hold down the 3rd fret at the high E string and 3rd fret at the B string. All the times that you play it, when you play the G chord, okay? So here we go, B minor, G, D, A sus4. Does this 4 times. B minor, G, D, A sus4. And then the say something, B minor, G, D, A sus4. Okay, plays through that 4 times. Now, I'm going to teach you how to play that progression without the B minor bar chord. That is, and this is used again for the say something part, which is kind of the verse part, all right? Instead of the B minor bar chord, you can replace it and put this variation of B minor. It's like a B minor 7th chord, but I think it actually sounds better when you're playing it on guitar to play it this way. So, because it's more open strings. So you play 2nd fret at the A string, open D string, 2nd fret at the G string, 3rd fret at the B string, and then the high E string would be open. But again, you don't really strum the high E string on any of these chords, okay? So instead, you play it like this. That B minor 7th chord I just taught you, let's just call it B minor 7th, though it's more like a B minor 9th or something. So here we go, B minor, G, D, A sus4. See how it's nice it sounds, the B minor, G, D, A sus4. Plays through that 4 times, okay? 4 times through that progression. 4. Now, the other progression, when it's like, I am feeling so small, or whatever, I think that's the lyric, something like that. The other progression that it plays is this, D, to F sharp minor, F sharp minor. This is a bar chord, but again, I'm going to teach you how to play this without using a bar chord in just a second. So, F sharp minor, to G, to D, to A sus4 again. And then does it again, D, F sharp minor, to G, to D, to A sus4. Because you hear that A sus4, that B string 3rd fret, ringing all throughout this song. All right, so the way you can play that without playing the F sharp minor bar chord, the way that they play it, there's like a breakdown, right? breakdown after the second chorus, and it gets really soft. The whole song gets really soft, okay? And at that part, they actually play the F sharp minor. Instead, they replace it, and they actually play, for that breakdown part, they replace the F sharp minor with a D with an F sharp in the bass. Like this, okay? So you can play it like this, and then you could actually play it this way all throughout the song, and it sounds fine, and then you don't have to play the bar chord if you can't play bar chords, okay? So so here we go. So you'd play D. Again, you're not really playing the high E. Just these 3 notes. D. And then you take your thumb and bring it over here and play that 2nd fret at the low E string. Right there, okay? And then you mute the A string. So play the thumb, plays the low E string, and mutes the A string. And now you're playing D with the F sharp in the bass. And it actually sounds really good like this. So you go D, and feeling so, and then you go. And then play the G. Back to the D. Then to the A sus4. Then you do it again. D. Again, you're not playing the high E string. Then to the D with the F sharp. And when they play it, it's like this. You're just playing these 3 notes, actually. The F sharp, and then the F sharp right here, then the 2nd fret G string, 3rd fret B string, then G, then to the D, then A sus4. Cool. The only time that they don't play the A sus4 and they just play a regular A chord is right before the chorus, when the chorus breaks down, the song breaks down after the 2nd chorus and then builds up and gets really big again. The last time that they play the A, they just play it as an A. They don't play an A sus4 right before it like the whole song builds up again, okay? Other than that, they always play A sus4, not an A. So it just, it'd be like this. The breakdown, then A, and then say something back into the B minor. And for a strumming pattern, you can do, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can do that, or you can just play all downstrokes. Works really well as well. Just like a, D, downstroke, downstroke, 1, 2, 3, downstroke, 2, 3, G, 2, 3. Just downstrokes works great. So this helps you guys out.